Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Deputy Commissioner East Jaintia Hills District Cleariat kakwa penpena hakani kasngi henriu terik u naibing arhajar arhusan da kabab ai kajing pensyai halor kajing yaki badang ya jong keseng kitrai trok kamai kajela Meghalaya MCTODA ko office jong Deputy Commissioner jong kani ke district kakwa ban pensyai ya kajing buat renti jong ki jingja bat kajing long jingman kaba mi na kajing yaki kaba dang ya chakmat kabla khot da ka seng MCTODA ha kaba kini ki trok kamai jong kajela Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners bat ki driver association persya ya ki karkhana simen ki ba trekam hapo ka district kajing long tenrai bat kajing penyat kajing le ban balashim halor ka jing yaki balapan bana da ka MCTODA nadu ka arpunyo trik u Risau Arhajar Arhusan Kibor penyat district kilas dang mardor ban shim ye kisin jam bat ban pensuk ya kajing ye keren hapdeng barok kinong shim benta katkum gani ka balakot ya kajing yalang katkum gani kajing khot ya gani kajing yalang hakaba kwa ban ye trailang bat ko office jong u Deputy Commissioner kabalong haka lai potrik u Risau Arhajar Arhusan kalashim benta ban penbek ya ki belami na kane kajing ya kulmar ha kaba kwa ban penyat da kabasuk basan ya kitu ki ba la wanlang da ka MCTODA halor kajing yaki balapan bana da ka MCTODA nado ka arpunyo trik urus Risau Arhajar Arhusan ka kibor penya district kilas dang ba mardor ban shim ya kisin jam ban penyesuk ya kajing ya keren hapdeng barok kinong shim benta katkum kani kajing khot jing yalang haka laipo trik Risau Arhajar Arhusan ka office jong Deputy Commissioner kalaya shim bentalang ban wanra ya kinong mi khmat jong kiseng jong kinong shna simen ki karkhana simen na ka Jaintia Hills Cement Manufacturers Association bat kumju ya kiseng trai trok harilum Jaintia bat ka East Jaintia Hills Owners Association bat hakani ka jingya keren kaba la khot lang ya barok ki association nado ka MCTODA ru ti lalap ba ka MCTODA kala kentat banwan syakani ka jingya lang ban ya trai lang wat la khot yaka wat haba la ailat ya kani ka seng ban wan lang ban ya mir jingmut ha kani ka jing yalang ha ka jing ya kandu ha kani ka lai potrik u Risau ki weipat ki artli ki seng kata ka JHTOA bat ka East Jaintia Hills TOTA kila pentip sya administration baki ya trailang bat ki karkhana simen bat kim kershan ya kani ka jing ya ki balakot da ka MC TODA. Hadin kila IT ya ka jing tho ka ba pen scam ka jo bat pen pau ya ka jing kular jongki ban penne e ki kam kit marbam man kasngi. Ka jing ya lang ha kani ka laiterik unai wing arhajar arhusan. Kala penpau ba kala persyang lembah ka district administration anta ha ka laiterik unai wing arhajar arhusan ha ka bala penya da unongsoy harum bat lai shim bentalang da ka Jantia Hills Cement Manufacturers Association bat ka MC Toda. Ha kani ka jing ya kendu la penlong ya ka jing ya keren ka babnya halor ka thup jing dawa bala ai da ka MC Toda ki ba kentup ya ki ni harum. Ka jing pentrai kam ya ki dor kit mar bala penbena da ka sorkar ka jing ya da na ka jing kit palat ka jing kit ba kongsan na ka benta ki trai trok ba marjan kapor yang kali bat kapor up ha ki jaka bu mar ka jing siu ha kapor ka babyang ya ki bil kit mar bat ka jing bu renti ya ka jing tray ka JHCMA kalapau na kiway pat kiseng ha ka santrik u naiwing arhajar arhusan kinong mikmat jong ka JHTOA bat ka East Jantia Hills TOTA kilaya kendo biang ya kiba lasoi harum bat ya ki jing penpau kiba kila ai ba ki smoke ya kaba crowd ba ka jing im jongki ki syak ta jur namar ka jing yaki kaba dang ya chakmat bat ka jing hanglat ya ki surok ba kilapan jing kershan kerki na kaliang ka borsen syar bat pentikna ya ka jing let jing wan jongki trok jongki klem jing hanglat bat banyada na ka jing sya le ben ne jing hanglat haki kunhun ki bayaki baro artli ki seng kila karpat ru ba dei ban penrung lang haki nu ka jing yamir jing mut ne jing yalang ki ba hadien habut ki bayadei bat ki kam kit mar bat kit mar haka district namar kidang yai beteng ban trai kam kat kum ka an bat kidang penne ya ka jing yadei ka bajan bat ki karkhana shna simen ti namar kata ki kwa ba kani ka jing ya trai lang kan long ka bayat suk yat bet yat renti ha ka kerdan jong ka jing sensyar ka district administration kum ka bor sensyar ka penpau biang ba ka shimkia ban pentikina ya ka jing penbet ka basuk ya ki jing ki baya dei pat ki karkhana pat ki kam kit bam kit mar mata baro lemba ka jing ya keren bat ki lat ki lenti ki baya dei bat ka an karba baro ki seng ki don ko hok ban mikmat ya ki jing ki jongki bat ki don ru ko hok ban yakren lani bu ya ki mat ki jongki ki bakong san hakmat ka district administration henry kalong kaba khanglat pat ya ki lat kamai da kababu ya kani ka jing yaki da ka baki khang ya ka surok ba pat penthut ya ka jingkit jingba ki badon kam bat ki nonglek nongwan ha ki pat ba ha kaliang ki pat ba ka bor sensyar kan beteng ya trelang pat ki nong shim benta kenthuk ya ka MC Toda JHTOA East Jantia Hills TOTA bat ka JHCMA banyak tray sya ka jingya penbek ka ba la ban pediang lang baro da ka ba penne ya ka an bat kumju ru ban bu ya ka jing shong suk shong san ban pentikna ya ka jinglat ya lut jong kimar kimata bat ka jingya lenti bat ban yada ya ka jingim jung baro kinong tre kit mar ha ka district kala pentip ha ka jingyalang ba yakini ki jingdawa baro latnyo tang ka jing penbek ya kador kit mar ka ba ya ringkat hapdeng ki jella ki baper la pediang bat ladap ban shim ya kasin jam ki badon kam ban pentikna bala pendep ya ki kendon la pensyai ba ki dor kit mar bala penbana da ka sorkar ki la trekam lupa na ka benta ka jingkit jingba hapo ka jela Meghalaya henrei ha ka ba ya dei bat ka jingkit jingba hapdeng ki jela ka JHCME kala batai ba omdan kidor bala penbena da ka sorkar bat kum kini kidor la penbek lemba kilat yo ki bala don lupa kat kum ka jing jingai ka jing dawa bat kiwei ki jing trekam wat hapdeng kani ka JHCME kala penpau ya ka jingkwa ban penlong shu ya ka jingyamir jingmut bat kinongkit marbam ban pentikna ya ka jinglong hok bat jingshai ha ka jingya penbek ya ka jingkit mar wat la pediang ya ki babun ki jing snokya jong ki ka MC toda kala kentat ban pensonge no ya ka jingya ki da ka ba penne ya ka jingdawa jong ki ban penbek da kador kabayadei hapdeng ki jela ka jinglong jingman jong ka an bat karukom hadien kani ka jing yalang layo kubor ba ki dikhot ka MC toda kila khangla ya ka jingya jong ki kali karkhana simen ha shilenter ka surok ba national highway ka ba penthut ya ka jingya la lot jong ki mar bat ka jingya ki kali da ka ba pek ya kini ki jingja ki pulit district jong ka East Khasi Hills ki la hap panchim khya ban penhui ya ki pakhang surok ban penlong biang ya ka jingya jingyang ka batikana bat pan pentikana ya ka jingshong shngan jong ki nongnya kali bat ki pajba ka jingle jong ki pulit kalong ka ba perking bha hapo ka an bat la penlong da ka jing penyat ka babyang ka ba penne ya ka jing suk bat ka jing shong suk shong san ki pat ba district administration ka kwa ban pentip ba ka jing thrang jong ka administration ka long ba ni kwa barbuar ya ka jing shong suk shong san bat ni kwa ru ya ka jing penbek da ka ba aipor ban ya mir jing mut lang habaro jong ki association klem da pen dot penwit la ne penthut ya ka jinglet jingwan ne ka jingkit jingba jong kiwei pat ki nongkit mar kit mata ha ka bayade bat ka suk ka san jong ka district ka ka ba ngile ngin hap le at kum ki kendon ki an namar ba ngi hap perkhat ya ki pat ba babun lang ba kanung don kanu ka jingthut namar kata ngi kwa ba kata ka jingya kren ya mer jingmut kan long lang ha krensan jong ka district administration da ka bang ya kren benya ba bat kren snow thu kum ki riu rang ba khnang ba kanu ka kam kanum penthut ya ki pat ba babun ha ka district lani ha ka jalla hi barok hobai kublai chibut.
Okay. With respect to this ongoing strike called by Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association MC TODA against cement factories from 27th October onwards, so I wish to inform all of you that district administration acted promptly, and on the 30th of October we called a meeting of all stakeholders including Jaintia Hills Cement Manufacturing Association, MC TODA and other two transport associations, Jaintia Hills Truck Owners Association as well as East Jaintia Hills Truck Owners and Transporters Association. But unfortunately, MC TODA declined to attend meeting on that day, saying that they would want to attend meeting separately with the Cement Factory Association, not in the presence of other two associations. However, the other two associations attended the meeting that day, and they informed us that they are not supporting the strike called by them, and they are working cordially with the cement factories, and they wish to continue the movement of their vehicles. So, however, to find a peaceful solution for this, we accepted the demands of MC Toda and again reconvened the meeting on 31st of October as well as 3rd of November with MC Toda separately along with Jaintia Hill Cement Manufacturing Association. So during the meeting on 30th and 31st and 3rd November, MC Toda expressed various concerns with respect to the transports, with respect to the cement factories. Their main demands were regarding fixation of interstate transportation rates and priority to the local truck drivers, reduction in the waiting time and loading time, and also certain regulations with respect to labor laws to be followed by the cement factories. So during the meeting, cement factory also has given a written reply to all their demands, wherein they have accepted all their demands. Only with respect to the fixation of interstate transportation rate, they clarified that there is a rate notification by Transport Department, Government of Meghalaya, which is with respect to the intrastate transport rates under Motor Vehicle Act 1988. So under this act, any state government can notify transportation rates. These have also been following those rates. They informed us during the meeting, and they informed MC Toda also that they have been following those rates that have been notified by Government of Meghalaya as far as intrastate transport is concerned. And they are already working with these two associations, and they are willing to work with them also in future. As far as the interstate rates are concerned, there is no such act which allows, empowers the state government to notify interstate transport rates. So that was clarified to MC Toda during the meeting. Those rates are dependent on the consignor and the transporter based on their mutual agreement, depending on the distance, depending on the location, as well as the market fluctuation. So that was the appeal from the side of Jaintia Hill Cement Manufacturing Association, that they are willing to discuss these rates also, because this will require complex discussion. All rates cannot be fixed for interstate transport in a single meeting, and they have accepted all their demands. So they also requested the MC Toda to withdraw their strike and come for further negotiations with respect to this interstate transport rates. So, however, MC Toda declined to withdraw their strike during the meeting, as till the time a fixed interstate transport rate also is given to them by the cement factories. So, after the meeting, we received reports that MC Toda had been obstructing the vehicles of cement factory and other transport associations, and certain reports were received with respect to harassment of some drivers and vehicles which are not participating in the strike. So because of this, the district police of East Khasi Hills had to take action as per law to ensure free movement of goods, vehicles, and also to ensure public safety on the national highway. So I would again, from this medium, I would like to appeal to MC Toda that while we understand their concerns, and we are still open, and we are always open for dialogue and with all the stakeholders, so that we can find a peaceful resolution to this, to their concerns, to their demands. At the same time, we also request them not to obstruct the vehicular movement on the national highway further. Thank you. Taken by the district police of East Khasi Hills based on whatever was the situation.
Okay, we will not record that.
Required. Because that action was taken by the police of East Khasi Hills district based on the situation on ground, and depending on whatever charges are, and now the law will take its own course, and right now I am not in a position to comment on that as the Deputy Commissioner of East Jaintia Hills.